Okay, I'm done cooking it. First first taste of it, I taste a little bit off the spatula. Dang, tastes like pretty well. Huh. Doesn't taste like any. It tastes better than like Baca burgers and all that. I was eating Baca burger before they went to I don't know what they put them in, eggs or chicken, so I completely got away from all the plant-based hamburgers. But it's taste I don't know, it's good. But it tastes like, yeah. Yeah, it tastes like a flame broiled. There must be something in there that makes it taste flame broiled, because that's basically what it tastes like. It tastes like it's got those char marks. So it must have some char or char flavoring in it. But it tastes like a charred hamburger. So it's a little expensive for me, but it tastes pretty good.